Hey guys, this is Tyler Heeman with SMP Tools, and today I want to talk about the different kit options for the SMP valve out tool. Each kit comes with 4 spreader plates, 2 male and 2 female, that allow you to tack the flanger from both sides. And each kit also comes with 11.5 inches of spacer bar per side, so that's capable of handling a 12-inch outside to outside flange. If you've got longer lay lengths, we do have extra spacer bars available in 2, 4, 6, and 12-inch segments. Additionally, each valve out tool comes with a set of bolt hole specific pins. The VOC1 kit is these 2 cases you see here. This kit has 8 each 3/4, 7/8, and 1-inch bolt hole pins. The VOC2 kit is these 2 sets of cases here, and you have 8 each 1.1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 1 3/8 bolt hole pins. And then the SMP VOC1-2 kit is all these 3 cases combined. So with these cases, you can handle a 2-inch 150 up to a 12-inch 600.